Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best cheap all-terrain tires that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Kumho Road Venture AT52 All-Terrain Tire. The Kumho Road Venture at 52 All-Terrain Tire is made for those who drive pickup trucks, sport utility vehicles, and Jeeps across changing conditions. This tire supports all-season driving and offers a balance between off-road performance and on-road comfort. With a section width of 265 millimeters and a rim width of 9 inches, it provides strong contact with the road for improved handling and support. It can carry up to 2,679 pounds and is built with a symmetrical tread pattern that supports even pressure and smoother rides. The tread depth measures 13.530 seconds, which gives this tire a good grip over different surfaces including dirt, snow, and pavement. It is also rated 4-ply, offering dependable durability. The tire includes large tread blocks that lock together and help extend its usable life. It includes a special 5-pitch block design that reduces noise when driving on highways. This combination makes it useful for those who want to explore off-road trails while still needing comfort and control during daily city travel. It is marked with a 3-peak mountain snowflake symbol, showing it meets the standards for winter use and traction in snowy conditions. This tire also comes with a mileage warranty up to 55,000 miles for P-metric and 50,000 miles for LT-metric versions, giving added trust in its long-lasting use. It performs well across rocky terrain, wet roads, and light snow. In our list, the number 2 product name is Kenda Klever A/T2KR628 tire. The Kenda Klever AT2KR628 all-terrain tire in size 265 by 70R17 is made for sport utility vehicles, light trucks, and 4x4 vehicles. Built to perform throughout the year, it balances rough terrain ability with smooth on-road control. The section width of 265 millimeters and rim width of 8 inches help deliver a steady driving experience across different paths. This tire holds a maximum load of 2,679 pounds and is rated at 10-ply, showing strong build support. The directional tread design includes interlocking blocks and biting edges which help improve forward movement and side grip on dirt, rocks, or snow. The tread depth measures 13.6130 seconds, allowing longer use and added safety across weather types. Its high sipe layout and unique rubber mix help improve snow and ice control, while still keeping a calm ride over paved roads. It carries the 3-peak mountain snowflake symbol, which supports its use in colder months. The tough sidewall design helps resist cutting and tearing when used off-road. It includes mileage support up to 60,000 miles for metric sizes and 50,000 miles for light truck options. With pressure support up to 44 pounds per square inch, it handles well under various load conditions. This tire is a dependable pick for drivers seeking traction, long-term performance, and a confident look. In our list, the number 3 product name is Nexen Roadian A/T Pro RA All-Season Radial Tire. The Nexen Roadian AT Pro RA All-Season Radial Tire in size LT275 by 65R18 is designed for light truck drivers who travel across changing surfaces. With a section width of 275 millimeters and rim width of 8 inches, it supports both road and off-road conditions with balance and control. This tire can carry up to 3,418 pounds and is built with a symmetrical tread pattern that helps in maintaining even wear and better handling. The tread depth measures 1630 seconds, which provides a longer lifespan while supporting firm grip across dry, wet, or lightly snowy paths. Rated at 10-ply, it gives strength to manage heavy loads and frequent movement without early wear. The maximum pressure is 80 pounds per square inch, offering control under high-load situations. Microgrooves are designed to maintain traction even when driving over wet or icy ground. The tread layout supports stable movement across rocky or uneven areas. The design includes wide shoulder blocks that help with cornering and firmness while driving on rugged trails. It also has protection features to resist stone trapping or sharp object damage. Although the tire does not include a wheel, its weight of 51.6 pounds supports its durable structure. Built for non-winter seasons, this tire suits drivers looking for year-round traction, long wear, and dependable control across a variety of driving routes and conditions. In our list, the number 4 product name is Cooper Discoverer AT3 4S All-Season Tire. The Cooper Discoverer AT3 4S All-Season Tire in size 265 by 75 R15 is built for sport utility vehicles and light pickup trucks. With a section width of 265 millimeters and rim width of 7.5 inches, this tire handles both road and off-road travel. It supports a maximum load of 2,469 pounds and is rated at 4-ply for balanced performance and support. Designed for all-year driving, this tire works well in changing weather and surface conditions. The tread depth of 1430 seconds gives it a strong grip on dirt, gravel, or paved roads. Its non-directional tread allows flexibility when rotating and maintaining balance. The tire can hold pressure up to 44 pounds per square inch, which helps with stability under heavier loads. The tread is designed to offer firm traction on wet ground and support quicker stopping in snow. It adjusts to changes in temperature and road type, keeping the ride smooth and steady. The structure also helps resist sliding during rain and improves cornering on loose surfaces. With a mileage warranty of 65,000 miles, this tire offers long-term use across both daily routes and weekend paths. It is rated for severe weather, making it suitable for areas with cold seasons or rough road conditions. Built for strength, traction, and all-season control, this tire is a reliable choice for varied driving needs. In our list, the number 5 product name is Cooper Endeavor Plus All-Season Tire. The Cooper Endeavor Plus All-Season Tire in size 265 by 70 R17 is made for sport utility vehicles and pickup trucks of various sizes. This tire is designed for year-round use and delivers balanced handling with dependable performance in different weather. With a section width of 265 millimeters and rim width of 8 inches, it offers solid road contact and steady movement on dry or wet surfaces. Built to carry up to 2,679 pounds, this tire is rated at 4-ply and supports a maximum pressure of 44 pounds per square inch. Its symmetrical tread pattern and tread depth of 12.530 seconds help maintain stability, promote even wear, and offer strong grip on changing roads. The tire includes a combination of channels that move water away from the surface, helping maintain traction during rain and reducing the chance of sliding. This design supports smoother driving and keeps more rubber in contact with the road. It is also built with reinforcement layers that increase strength and help extend overall use. The tread layout reduces road noise, providing a calm and peaceful driving experience across both short trips and longer travel. A visible wear indicator is built in to show the remaining life of the tread, making it easier to know when replacement is needed. With a tread wear warranty of 65,000 miles, this tire supports reliable all-season driving with good road control. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.